and Beaus, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and just overall lifestyle. So if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you to subscribe, share, like, definitely hit that bell notification so you won't miss an upload. I upload videos every Wednesday and every Friday, and today's edition of Flash Fashion Friday, it is a luxury haul, y'all. I alluded to this in probably not last Friday, the Wednesday before that, when I talked about all my shopping finds at Dubai. There was something that I picked up from Chanel that had not arrived, and y'all, she's here. She is here. She is here, honey. She is here. Let me show y'all my outfit and then we can get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so today's outfit is brought to you by none other than Pretty Little Thing. This entire loungewear set is from their collection. I purchased this most recently in a size large. I will put it down in the description box. I don't have anything on my feet because I'm home and just hanging out, so I didn't feel like I needed it. This utility belt is the cutest. Now, this reminds me, or is giving me very BCBG Max Azria vibes back in the day. BCBG Max Azria was like phenomenally known for making gorgeous belts. It is also satisfying my current Loewe belt obsession. I still haven't decided whether or not I'm going to pull the trigger on that, but this is very, very interesting. You can put your cards in here. These are actually working, pockets. You can put your cell phone in here. It looks like it's big enough for at least an XR 11 or 12, and it'll stay nice and sturdy. It has plenty of belt loops or belt holes, so just depending on your size, this can fit you well. Now, this comes in a black and a white. I purchased the white version only because it's springtime and I figured I can get a lot more wear and use out of it. There's some additional like loopholes and like clasping that you can use. I can't imagine what you would put here, maybe some sunglasses. And then there's another belt loop there that you can use. My lipstick is super simple. I use Dior foundation. My lip is Fashion Legacy from MAC. So that's the look. Let's get back into the video. What did I get? To start with, I'm gonna show y'all pretty things. Expensive things come in small packages. Here we are. This is an unboxing. I initially was going to do this on Instagram, but life got the best of me, so I wasn't able to do so. So I picked up something that was on my wish list, or maybe something that substituted something on my wish list. My 2021 designer luxury wish list was, luxury designer wish list was a pair of Chanel earrings. I wanted the gold drop earrings that had the interlocking or double CCs at the bottom. Those are completely sold out on the secondhand market, and I just haven't been able to find them, but I was able to snag these beauties. Oh my gosh, yes. This is from the 2021 collection, and these actually have like the little stones in them. So I'm gonna put them on right now while I'm talking to y'all, because this is how we're gonna do the rest of the video. Now, I don't know if the CHA is supposed to go on this side or that side so that you guys can read it. I would normally put it here, but I think it should be the reverse because you will be looking at me, or not you, but just people. And then we're gonna do the rest of these videos with these earrings. I got these from Tradesy. I was actually saving up for something else, or I had earmarked this money for something else and it just fell through. So on my last day in the Maldives, my friend Yvette, I'm gonna blame her for this. She was like, you should just get them. You should just get them. You've been eyeing them. I'm like, not really. I haven't been eyeing these. I've been eyeing the ones with the double CCs. And I'll put up that picture so that you guys can see the ones that I was actually lusting over. But to say that these are not a great substitute would be a lie. They would be a lie, right? So I am super happy with these. They're not heavy, they're nice and light. I actually like that they came with two clasps in the back, because when you purchase earrings like this or costume jewelry from design, I know I've said that that's probably a huge waste of money, but I really like these, and I did find myself wearing them a lot. Them, speaking of the, what are they called? The Louis earrings from Louis Vuitton. At first I was like, oh, why are you spending them? I fell in love with them, but I reach for them more often than not. I wear them all the time. And I probably won't wear these all the time because these are a little bit more like statement-ish. The last time I wore them, or the first time that I wore them rather, I wore them to a birthday dinner. And I was kind of comfortable with it because I'm like, okay, we're in a safe space. I won't move around too much. If I lose them, I can probably find them easily, but they don't feel like they're going anywhere, so I have to just be extra cognizant when I have these on. So like right now, if I lost them, it's okay. We're in the studio, so it'll work. So let's get to the next luxury item that I got. I'm not doing this in any particular order, just kind of how I was able to stack it on my chair. Next up are these beautiful espadrilles from C by Chloe. I actually got these from Saks Fifth Avenue. They were on sale, and I want to say they retail, I got them for like $165, and then with like shipping and tax and handling and all that, they came up to like a little less than 180 bucks. But I love these for spring and summer. Nothing screams spring or summer like raffia, espadrille, whatever you want to call this material. Nothing. And then the fringe, I mean, come on, this canvas top with the fringe right here, this is perfection. They're super comfortable. I got these in a size, what size is this? I got this in a size 9. I haven't worn them out yet, but I did wear them in Wednesday's video, so I will do a close-up video so that you guys can see what these look like. But I mean, super comfortable. I mean, they're super lightweight, so they'll probably be easy to pack as well if you want to take these on vacation. You can wear this with whatever you want. They probably would go really well with the outfit that I have on now. So if I have some errands to run, I'm throwing these bad boys on too. I love the different colors. You can wear this as a muted piece if you have on like a colorful dress. You can wear this as the pièce de résistance if you're wearing like all black like myself today. So these are super versatile. You can do a lot of different things with these, and I'm super happy with them. I was influenced to get these by none other than Monroe Steele. If you follow her, she is a gem, a friend in my head, right? But she definitely styles these really, really well. And when I saw them on her, I was like, oh, please, those are perfect for springtime. So C by Chloe espadrilles. Next up are some luxury pajamas. Why do I need luxury pajamas? I don't know. I like finer things in life. I like a high thread count. You know what I'm saying? Like, I enjoy those things, and it's not for show. It's just really, it's really about normalizing Black women in luxury in all parts, in all aspects of our lives. So guess what I did? I got me a pair of sleeper pajama pants. They were on sale. I caught this sale from following Fashion Sherlock. If you don't follow her, make sure you do. Put your notifications on, because some of the stuff that she puts on her stories, they're gone like this. They sell out super, super fast. And if you want to be in the know, you got to get in the know. So you have to be ready for your credit card, which I was. And I got these actually from Neiman Marcus. And this is a sleeper pajama set. Now, you are probably more familiar with the sleeper pajama set that is a silk satin material, and it has the fringe feathers on the bottom and on the wrist. These are not them. The pair that I got are more so a cotton material. Let me tell you what it is. Yes, it's 100%. Oh, it's 100% viscose, and the lining is 100% nylon, made in Ukraine. And they have these beautiful rich auntie vibes feathers at the bottom, and they also have them on the, do they have them on the sleeve? Yes they do. They also have them on the sleeve. I got a size large, and I thought, well, do I really want white pajamas? Why not? I mean, I could see myself on somebody's Ritz-Carlton's patio, okay, having a chai latte, because I don't drink coffee, enjoying these to the death of me. You understand? They're super comfortable. I got them in a size large. Initially, I was like, do I want them in a size large? But when they came and I tried them on, I was like, oh, this fit is perfection. The top can probably be taken in some. I don't know that I'm going to take my pajamas in. Like, I'm not sure that I'm at the point where I need to tailor and wear bespoke pajamas. I don't know. I don't know that I'm there yet, but I haven't planned a trip to wear these two, and I haven't worn them or slept with them at home yet because I wanted to show y'all first. But definitely comfortable. The pants are somewhat like culottes. I don't know if it's because I'm taller or if they were just supposed to be that way. I want to say on the model they hit her like right below the ankle, which is sort of where they hit me. So I'm okay with that, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I will put this down in the description box if they're still available. When I purchased them, they were on sale. They may no longer be on sale, but just be on the lookout. The next thing that I want to talk about is this beautiful Hervé Leger BCBG Maxaria inspired set from a local boutique here in Orlando. I was going to get my lashes done and I stumbled. When I tell you I stumbled, I just was looking for parking. I parked and I walked out, and there was this rack of clothes in front of this boutique that was on sale. And honey, Oh, I fell in love with these. These are palazzo high-waisted pants, and they come with this itty bitty top. Now, the top came with the pants, okay? The top is a large. It's not going to fit me on its own. Or let me not say that. I will be able to put it on. It's not going to look the way I want it to present, right? So I'm just going to show y'all just like a quick little, you know, it's like a little cute bandeau top. This is for all my girls with less bust at top, or me. I just have to figure out how to style it. I got this entire set for $75. I love the thickness of these pants. There's a lot of stretch, so it gives a lot. It is very forgiving. The back, which I thought was an added extra, and it also let me know that this was of some quality, had an actual zipper. Sometimes when you see these replicas or these dupes, they're just, you just pull the pants up, so it won't last as long, in my opinion. The band is very thick. The material itself is very thick, and it is from a brand called Louis James. I'm not familiar with this brand, my first time, but I ain't mad. I'm not mad at all. So let's get to the final thing so I can give y'all Friday back. If you have been living anywhere but underneath a rock, you are probably very familiar or very, familiar with the brand Attico. The Attico, rather, to be very specific. They make a ton of things. Most recently, I saw Tanika B. Again, she makes her way into all of my videos because sis is just on it. She is on it. And every time I see something, it just inspires me. It really does. So she had on these tie-dye mules that were to die for. And I hit her up on Instagram so quickly. I was like, are these exclusives? Because I need these in my life, like now. Sold out. I put a notification up, an alert notification, so hopefully I do get alerted when these come back in stock. But in the interim, I was having a shoe, like I needed a shoe fix. So I'm like, okay, let me see, mules are in. I really like the tie-dye, so I didn't want to get the Attico tie-dyes in any other color. They also have a pair of slingbacks that I initially saw, Kalana Barfield. She wore them, I want to say like last year sometime, and I was like, oh, those are dope. Like, you know, just I put them kind of in the back of my mind. I put them sort of on my wish list, but sort of not. Like if I saw them and I wanted to get them, then yes, but I wasn't really dying for them. And those shoes happen to be an orange color, and I'll pop up a picture so that you guys know what I'm talking about. Well, as I'm searching, I'm like, all right, well, let me see what else the Attico has. I went on Farfetch, they didn't have it. I went on a couple different websites, they didn't have it. So then I stumbled on a pair of boots, and I was like, ew, these are interesting. So I had to snag them because they were on sale, and the price was just, I just couldn't believe my ears and my eyes. So I was like, getting them. So here is the what is this called? The bag. We'll call it the bag right now. And when they showed up, I initially thought that they were going to be a brighter color, but I fell in love with these shoes. Enough of the suspense. Okay, you got it. Here they are. Yeah. These are stunning. What caught my attention was this white tip. Now, when I initially saw these, I thought they were going to be like this fiery burnt orange, like that Hermes right there. But then when I went back and I was like, oh, this was not misleading. This is not false advertisement. This literally came in the color that it said. Super comfortable. I love these. I think these will transition well from spring to summer to fall. This is definitely a fall autumn color, like without question. But this white little tip right here, $400 and something later, I mean, perfection. I cannot wait to wear these shoes. I actually have a tie-dye skirt that I want to kind of film these with or shoot with, so be on the lookout for that on my Instagram. If you don't follow me already, it's customs_chic, but I am in love with these boots. Let me pull the second one up. I haven't worn them yet. Let me see. Yeah, they retail for $6.25, but I got them for $4 something. I got these in a 39.5. The Attico, I got these from the Real. They had a bunch of them, and look, new, never been worn. They are retailing in other places like Farfetch for the actual, you know, retail value of $625. So if you want these, I'll put it down in the description box so that you guys can get them, but I love these shoes. So that is my roundup of my luxury haul. I'm super happy with these earrings. Hopefully they kind of did for y'all what they were doing for me when I first saw them. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you stuck around this long, you definitely know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you won't miss an upload. I upload every Wednesday and every Friday, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.